TP'd. Back at it today. So I made it to the park. I don't know, I'm feeling a little sketchy today. I'm feeling like someone's gonna come yell at me or something. I'm at the playground. Just gonna try and hit some gaps. Get some practice at least. It's cold today. Just gonna warm up a little bit. Some Orbeez. Just gonna hit the easiest gaps first. I know that this is where the homeless people hang out. Really hope nobody comes and bothers me. Pretty early, I don't see any kids coming by to play. I think it'll be all right. My goal is to hit this little gap by the end of the day. The blue one. Not so bad for a warm-up pack. I just figured if I can go slow and smooth and hit these gaps, that should equate to some really good practice for the real world. And by the time I'm ripping 15 packs, I should be a frickin' pro, huh? Alright. Whew. It is chilly today, though. I don't know, I'm just getting that feeling someone's gonna rat on me. We'll see. You don't want to watch me doing all these packs, so how about this? I'll shut you off for now, then I'll come back when I'm warmed up. Peace. You know, this is a really good spot. I don't know why I've never come here before. This is like ideal for practice. By the time I go home today, I'm gonna have such good throttle control. Hopefully. That's the plan. Figure with enough practice, and build the confidence to hit the gaps and actually commit to hitting them. Wait, these are rocks, not wood chips. Oh well. I risk it for the biscuit. Yeah, before I leave, I want to hit this bullseye. Look at that. Like nothing. Man, I'm already doing so much better. It's crazy. All right. Shiver me timbers. Oh. Looks like I got company. Oh, they're coming this way.
Telemetry lost.
Did they leave? Wow, they left. And my heart's racing. I saw him walking towards me. Maybe he just saw I wasn't a homeless dude and was like, oh, you're chill. You're chill, broski. Oh, I guess there is a shelter over here. Wow, I didn't know that. I kind of look like a homeless guy, don't I? Oh boy. I don't know, something was just sounding weird. Like a rock was stuck in the prop or something. Number 2. Dang it. Just real quick. Hey, that was pretty good. So I have 3 different rate settings on a switch. I'm gonna see if lower rates help me out at all. I usually fly in it's about 690. I'm gonna try 400 right now. Yeah, it's much slower. Ugh. Oh man, I got terrible jello. This seems to happen every time I crash pretty hard. Get some jello. Let me try something. Yeah, the jello's really bumming me out. I don't like that. That stinks. Looks like I have to change props. I don't know if you see that, man. Just all chewed up. Got some new props on. These are 4-bladed. It's a shame, I really like those other ones. But, hey, we'll see if that jello goes away. Hey, what do you know? That was the problem. So I've heard the 5-bladed props, you get a little bit more thrust, but a little less efficiency. Oh, this battery's dead. Okay, hold up. Alright guys, so I'm on my last battery. I'm just going to chat you up until my camera dies. Yeah, the new props are fantastic. They're really great. I'm just going to cruise a little bit. I don't want to take it too hard with these brand new props. I'll give them some time. But I would say today's been a major success. I'm hitting gaps that I never would have dreamed of just a couple weeks ago. crazy what a little bit of practice can do. I think I brought like 14 batteries. Just got to do this a few times a week. You know, I'll be pro in no time. Yeah, I'm not gonna go too crazy because, like I said, I wanna spare these props at least for a little while because I actually really like them. They're not nearly as loud. Either way, it's cold out here. I'm shivering. My fingers are frozen. I'm losing control because it's just hard for me to fly with my fingers so cold. But yeah, guys, I'm feeling really good about this. Definitely need to come here way more often. Hit gaps. There's still a bunch of small gaps I'd like to hit, but I'll save those for another time. Like tons of gaps. Like this gap here looks incredible. The armrests. Not gonna do it. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with what I've done today. This playground is a blast. Nobody came and messed with me. Oh, there we go. Alright, that's a good indicator to go land. Alright guys, I'm gonna go home, go warm up, try and make some more videos here soon. This was a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I won't show you everything, but I'll show you the best of it. Either way guys, I'll catch you next time. Peace.